Losing a loved one is hard. Probate is the legal process in Kansas used to settle their estate. In Kansas, probate is required if assets are owned solely, there are outstanding debts, or there is no valid will. It is also needed if the estate value exceeds $75,000 or includes any real estate. Not everything in Kansas goes through probate. Property in joint tenancy, transfer on death bank accounts, life insurance payouts, and assets in a living trust bypass the courts entirely, passing directly to your beneficiaries. For Kansas estates under $75,000 with no real estate, you can skip formal probate entirely by using a small estate affidavit. The Kansas probate process generally follows 4 steps. First, filing a petition with the court. Second, appointing a personal representative. Third, inventorying the estate and paying debts. And finally, distributing assets and closing the estate. This video is for informational purposes only and is not legal advice. Thanks for watching our quick guide to Kansas probate. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Remember, understanding probate brings peace of mind during a difficult time.